How to save WPS file as PDF. To save a WPS writer file as a PDF, you can follow these simple steps. So first of all you have to do is open the WPS app on your device and navigate to the document you want to save as a PDF. So let me just create a new document. So let me just write down something in here. So now once done so, in order to save this in PDF, all I have to do is tap on the file option available there at the top right. Then a drop down menu will appear. From there tap on the save as. Then there you can see dock option available, tap on it, downward arrow icon. Once you tap on it, you will get to see PDF option available at the bottom. Tap on it. Then tap on the save option available there and save it to PDF. Now all you have to do is, you can also rename this file, and once you have done according to your preferences, it will be exported as PDF. So here, as you can see, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.